linear partial differential equation of first order. What is a first order PDE? It is a relation between independent variable, dependent variable and its first partial derivative. If the relationship f of xyz pq is equal to 0 involves only first partial derivative with respect to x and y, p and q, then we say that that relation is a first order PDE. Symbolically, we write it as f of xyz pq is equal to 0. What is solution of a PDE? Solution of a PDE or complete integral, it is also called complete integral, if it contains as many arbitrary constants as there are independent variables. If there are two independent variables, suppose we have a function z is equal to f of xy. If two independent variables are there, then in complete integral we have two arbitrary constants. What is a general solution? General solution is a function or relation between which involve arbitrary function which provide a solution to the given partial differential equation. Then we say that it is a general solution. What is a linear PDE? What do we mean by a linear PDE? A partial differential equation of first order is said to be linear if it is of first degree in P and Q. There are no product term of P and Q. Then we say that it is linear. So, if a partial differential equation is of first order and also it is linear, then we say that it is linear first order PDE or partial differential equation. How can we solve first order linear PDE? We will discuss in this chapter. Let us have a look at this example. Z into xp minus yq is equal to y square minus x square. This can be written as, it is zxp minus zyq is equal to y square minus x square. Again, x square p plus y square q is equal to z cube. Look at these two equations. It is a relation between x, y, z and p and q. So it is a first order linear PDE. Look at this equation. It is a relationship between x, y, z, p and q. So it is also a linear PDE. Whereas z square into 1 plus p square plus q square is equal to 1, or xpq plus yq square is equal to 1. Look at this two example. Here p square and q square. P dot p, there is a product of the first partial derivative. Q dot q, so here p and q are multiplied, here q and q are multiplied. So these are example of non-linear PDE. So we will discuss in this chapter about the linear first order PDE. Linear first order PDE can be solved by Lagrange method. The equation of the form PP plus QQ is equal to R, also known as Lagrange equation. Look at this theorem. This says the general solution of linear partial differential equation PP plus QQ is equal to R is FUV is equal to 0. The general solution of a linear first order PDE of this type PP plus QQ is equal to R. What is P? P is a function of x and y, Q is a function of x and y, R is also a function of x and y. And its general solution is given by f of u v. U and v are function of x, y and z, where f is an arbitrary function and f is an arbitrary function. U of xyz is constant, v of xyz is constant, and this solution are obtained from the equation dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. These are known as the Lagrange auxiliary equation. Dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Before going to the proof of the theorem, let us have a look at the working rule, how to solve a first order linear PDE by Lagrange method. This is known as Lagrange method. In order to solve PP plus QQ is equal to R, first construct the auxiliary equation dx by p, this p, capital P, which is a function of x and y. Dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Then step 2 is find two integrals u xyz is equal to c1 and v xyz is equal to c2, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant from this equation. Find two integral from this auxiliary equation. Then f u v is equal to 0 is the general solution of the given PDE, or u is equal to phi v, where phi is again an arbitrary function. This is the working method to find the general solution of a first order linear PDE. Let us check one example so that it will be clear. Find the general solution of zxp minus zyq is equal to y square minus x square. Look at this equation. It is a linear first order PDE and it is of the form pp plus qq is equal to r, where p is, capital P is zx, capital Q is minus zy, and r is y square minus x square. Hence the Lagrange auxiliary equation are dx by zx p is equal to dy by minus zy q is equal to dz by y square minus x square, that is r. So in this way we get Lagrange auxiliary equation. From first two ratio, look at this first two ratio. From first two ratio, z is cancelled out, so we get dx by x is equal to minus dy by y, or dx by x plus dy by y is equal to 0. Now integrating that, we get ln x plus ln y is equal to ln c. Ln c is again an arbitrary constant. In place of c, we take ln c for simplicity of the calculation. Now it is taking the exponential both sides, we get again xy is equal to c1. So this is one relation, u xyz is equal to c1, xy is equal to c1. Again from the auxiliary equation, if use the multiplier x and y here, x dx plus y dy, it becomes zx square minus zy square. So x dx plus y dy divided by z into x square minus y square is equal to dz by y square minus x square. Now from this we get x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. On integration it gives x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to c2. So 2 is multiplied in c2 and it becomes x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c2. So we get two relation, xy plus c1 is equal, xy is equal to c1 and x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c2. So the solution is f of xy and x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. So the general solution is from 1 and 2, f of xy, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. In this way we solve the first order linear PDE using Lagrange method.